Hey guys, this is the first episode of my new series, Tic Tac Python. In this series, I will teach you Python in the most basic and simple language. In this first episode, we will go through the installation phase. Now, I will show you how to install Python on your computer. First, let me get out of your way. Great. Now, I want you to open your preferred browser. Here I am using Microsoft Edge. And I want you to search Python. Great. Now, once you search it, click on the first link, python.org. You click on it, and this page comes up. Now, click on the Downloads tab. Here, click on Download Python. This will be the latest version of Python available to you. It will now download Python. Now, open the Python file. It will show a window similar to this one. Now, this is a very important step and Python will not work if you don't do this. You must click this box, Add Python to Path. This basically tells your computer that Python must be added to your computer's files so that any program that is using Python can understand it clearly. After you have added Python, now you can click on Install Now. The installation may take some time, so please be patient. Now, as you can see, the Python setup was successful. So, if you have correctly installed it, you can just click Close. Great. Now, you can just code it in your Notepad application, but to get the full-on coding experience, you want an IDE. An IDE is like an integrated development environment. It knows every single line of code you will write. So, it can help you to write code quicker and easier. Now, I will show you how to install an IDE. First, search PyCharm. After that, go to the first link by JetBrains. Now you can scroll down onto the download button. Click it. After you come here, there are two options, PyCharm Community and PyCharm Professional. PyCharm Professional is paid and it will give you much more, many more things that you can do. But for the contents of this course, you can use the free version, PyCharm Community Edition. So, you can just click download. As you can see here, the download has started. It may take some time to download. Please be patient. Now, after you have completed this, open your browser and open the PyCharm file. Then you will see the setup window. Click next. If you have any old versions, tick them and delete. After the uninstallation is completed, click close. Now select the install location. You can leave it as is. Click next and select create desktop option and update path variable. Select install. Now it will take some time for it to complete installing. Now once it's finished, select Run PyCharm Community Edition and finally click Finish. It will take some time, then it will start to load. As you can see, it is opening up PyCharm Community Edition. Now, as you can see, PyCharm is opened. Click on New Project. Here you don't need to do anything, but make sure in Python version the version you just installed is selected. In my case, it's 3.13 and click on Create. As you can see, a new project is created. Now, once it is finished loading, go here. into the main menu. Click on File. And click on New. Here select Python file. You can name it anything. I will name it episode 1, and this is very important. You must add .py. Now, what this .py does is it tells the computer this is a Python file and you should execute it using the Python thing we downloaded a few moments earlier. Now click enter. As you can see, we have a fresh new Python file right here. Now, that is all for this episode. I will see you in next episode where we will write our first program. As always, stay creative and enjoy tech. This is Tic Tac Tech out.